Welcome to another episode of Manitowoc Garage. Remember, always refer to the crane's safety and operation manuals before operating the crane. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Gen 3 or the black button display used on some national cranes. You will be able to find these Gen 3 displays on NBT 30H-2s and the NBT and NTC 50, 55, and 60s L and XL models. You are going to be using the black buttons at the bottom of the screen in reference to the icons you see above them to make your selections when navigating the screen. After you have set up your crane, confirm your selection with the check icon. Your main screen will come up. All of your geometric data, actual and maximum loads, parts of line will be displayed. These icons indicate that the override key is turned on. Indicators for the main and aux hoist are displayed here. Using the switches on the armrest, you can activate and deactivate the hoist. Whenever the hoist is active, it will light up in green. Pressing the button that selects this icon will allow you to change the parts of line the crane is reeved with. Once the reeving screen is up, use the arrow button below the plus and minus icon to increase or decrease the number of lines installed to be monitored by the RCL. When you have made your changes, push the button under the check mark. This button will silence the alarm temporarily. Pressing the arrow key under the wrench will take you to a screen to display engine-related data: RPM, fuel level, hydraulic temp, crane hours, battery voltage, and engine temp. Indicators below will light up when active for engine stop, engine warning, regeneration needed, module related fault, engine oil pressure warning, engine temp warning, and the hydraulic oil filter reminder. These two buttons are for error code and input and output viewing, which will be discussed in later videos. Let's return to the main screen. The menu button will take you to a sub-menu. The first option you have will take you to the crane setup screen. Selecting the center tools icon presents you with several options. The first allows you to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. If we select this icon, it will request that you enter a password. This is to be used by trained dealer personnel only. Selecting this option will allow the operator to change function speeds. Changes can be made using the top percentages, and this will change all of the functions to that selection using the circle arrow icon. Or using the buttons for the center arrow button, speed changes can be made to individual functions. Returning to the tool screen, we can change views from feet to meters, the amount of time between reminders for a filter change, here we can view either pounds or kilograms. Using the arrows beside the sun icon will manipulate the brightness of the display. The final option in this screen will take you back to the engine data screen. Selecting this icon will present options for setting limits. You can set limits for swing, build virtual walls, lift, tip height, and radius. The trash can icon will turn off any previously set limits. The final button on the main screen is the tare feature. This allows you to zero out the actual weight on the hook to get an approximate weight of your load. Thanks for tuning in to Manitowoc Garage. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for future videos.